everyone, welcome to BW Business World. I have few questions for you. How should the engineering curricula evolve to kind of tackle climate challenges that we have faced today?
Um, Very good question. Climate change is real. Earlier, we used to hear about climate change, but we know that it's real because, of obvious reasons. So, engineers should get involved in solving this issue. So, AICT has already stipulated that first year courses should have a course on in environmental sciences. A lot of it is into climate related issues, pollution, and other issues which are connected to climate change. Building on that, universities should introduce more courses, especially elective courses on climate change, what is happening depending upon the discipline. For example, I am from electrical engineering, so electrical students should be taught. We are already teaching about electricity, its uses, because electricity causes 70% of the pollution by generating coal based plants, etc. So that is one part into the curriculum, but more than that, students should be exposed to practical aspects. Give projects which are related to climate change so that they study a problem, come out with a solution. So, this is another way we can get it into the curriculum.
And ma'am, beyond placement numbers and infrastructure metrics, how can we judge the quality of an institute when it comes to engineering? I want to know your perspective on it.
Yeah, these two parameters are very important. But other than that, I think one institution is known by its faculty as well. So, recruiting quality faculty and maintaining quality faculty is a challenge. But then, the job of a director of a vice chancellor, primary job, is to recruit and retain good faculty. That is one. Second is how are we treating our alumni? Because that's a fourth stakeholder. Other than faculty, students, and staff, alumni is a fourth stakeholder. So many institutes are neglecting the alumni. So if we bring them together, how, that's another parameter we should be, because perception is a big parameter in any ranking, and perception improvement is basically by alumni and the industry, right? So these two are very important. Research output of is a very important parameter, because without research output, it's not um, just teaching is not enough, because research should be induced into the teaching so that it is more meaningful. Then how do we impact the society, which is a, some institutes, they impact the society so well. So that should be another parameter. How do you treat your neighborhood, how do you solve their problems? So now many institutes are concentrating on that. So that is another parameter I think should be considered. How environment friendly you are. Do you have a sustainable policy? Or how you are friendly with your differently abled students and faculty, etc.